In this video, I'll guide you through how to check traffic in Google Analytics 4, whether you're completely new to GA4 or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go to see how people are getting to your website. First, open your browser and head over to analyticsgoogle.com. This is the main homepage for Google Analytics, and it's where you'll log in to access all of your data. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that has access to your analytics property. If you manage multiple websites or apps, double check that you've selected the correct account and property at the top of the screen so you're looking at the right data. Once you're in Google Analytics 4, you'll see a navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Today, I'll show you how to use that menu to find your traffic reports. Look for the option labeled Reports in that left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and click on Reports. This is where GA4 groups all the pre-built reports that help you understand how users are behaving on your site or app. After you click Reports, you'll notice that the menu expands and is divided into sections. One of the main sections is called Life Cycle. This area is designed to show the different stages of your user journey, from how people first arrive to what they do and whether they convert. I'm going to walk you through how to use this Life Cycle section to focus on your traffic sources. Within the Life Cycle section, look for the item labeled Acquisition. Acquisition is all about how users land on your website or app. In other words, it answers the question, where is your traffic coming from? Click on Acquisition to open up the acquisition-related reports. When you open Acquisition, you'll see a couple of different report options. I'll show you the easiest way to get to the information you're probably looking for most often, the breakdown of your traffic by channel, source, or medium. To do that, click on Traffic Acquisition. This is the core report in GA4 for understanding your overall traffic patterns. Once the Traffic Acquisition report loads, you'll see a chart and a table. The chart at the top usually shows trends over time, like how many users or sessions you've had each day. Below that, the table breaks your traffic down by default channel groups such as organic search, paid search, direct referral, and so on. You can change the main metric you're looking at, for example, from users to sessions or engaged sessions, depending on what matters most to you. If you want to dig a bit deeper, you can adjust the primary dimension in the table from default channel group to things like session source or session medium to see exactly which search engines, campaigns, or referral sites are sending you traffic. You can also change the date range in the top right corner of the screen to focus on a specific period, like the last 7 days, the last 30 days, or a custom range. As you explore this report, remember that everything you're seeing comes from that simple path you just followed, going to analytics at google.com, clicking Reports, opening the Life Cycle section, choosing Acquisition, and then selecting Traffic Acquisition. Once you're comfortable with that path, you'll be able to jump into your traffic data quickly whenever you need an update. That's all you need to start checking traffic in Google Analytics 4. With these few clicks, you can see where your visitors are coming from and use that information to make better decisions about your marketing and content.